Hello everyone, welcome to another video here. It is updating. I think let just wait. Okay. Yeah. Some people. Okay. The green beans are too strong. I forgot the last one, bro. Okay. I will just wait for the text. Okay, gotta wait. Okay, Jandel. The green beans has crashed Roblox. It hasn't crashed me, bro. Let me see. God damn it. Whee! Hello. Gonna buy everything. Gonna buy everything.
Really? Yes. You like to hop in like it's a season of TV? Yes, like it's a continuation. It's like episode 2 of the same dream. When you fall asleep.
Okay, gonna wait again. Wait for the admin abuse. I shouldn't stated in the game mode. Most of the right side is down. Jandel just right, bro. Ugh. Ugh.
How do you mess up a cupcake that bad? I know, that's the thing. What are you making?
Bro. Gonna wait for the abuse or a text. Bro, quick. 8012 is 68, not 62. Huh? I'm just laughing, bro. Okay, guys, I'm just gonna run some. Cause I'm in views. We are just using the main event, so the will be able to join. Most people can't join right now. Yeah. Wait. So I will just run normal abuse for now, but okay, frick.
I mean, it's a two-way street here, pal. We started a YouTube channel for him, and he starts going viral because he's not just talking, he's like the voice of the people. Like, dude, Ben, like, I aspire to be like
Gonna cut again. Guys, the freaking server shut down. Let me reconnect. Gonna reconnect. The freaking server shut down.
Oh my god,
The freaking server shut down. Wait, what? The server returned unavailable or complete. Okay, let me refresh my Roblox. I think my game crashed. My game crashed. I think my game will crash again. Gonna cut. God, oh my god, my game is lagging so hard. Okay, my game want to crash again. Wait, what? Janda is playing Brain Rot. I feel bad for them. They're so cooked when they see what we made. Oh, bro. Loading. The infant is. Oh, I'm an abuse. The I'm abuse is beginning. Okay, I will get back to I'm abuse. Oh, volcano. Oh, God, ha. Wow, touched. Oh, can people rejoin yet? Yeah, let me go to the fire. Mm. Whee! Whee! Sammy, Sammy, where are you? Oh my God! He is talking about Sammy, the brain rock guy. Oh no! I'm gonna fall! Wait a minute. Is Gandalf is stupid. I can fly to the fee far from Okay, gonna cut. Grow the beanstalk and maybe we maybe talk. There's a Easter egg. I'm going to say is having a bean right now. Bean? A bean? This bean? This? If 4 more players hold a beanstalk. Super good. I have a beanstalk. Okay, let me grab a OP beanstalk. You see? Oh, this. Grab a beanstalk. Okay. What? Get out of my face, bitch. 4. I buy all the beanstalk. I don't care. They don't have money. I don't know where to place my beanstalk. But I will play. Check your inventory. Stupid seed. Fuck. Seed. A seed. Gonna look. A look.
What if I told you Mira might secretly be a demon in K-pop Demon Hunter?
Bro, can you shut up?
Right in front of us the whole.
Hey,
what are you doing over there? Come on, leave the poor guy alone. You better keep walking. What? Oh look, it's the hero. Yo, brethren. What up with the blessings on your alley? Didn't get enough, Mr. Hero?
guys, so our main admin, we're just we saw stars. Gonna get mango because I didn't touch my mango. Okay, there's more in the fucking Grand Crashers. Rank. Must.
Oh look, it's the hero. Yo, brethren. What up with the blessings on your alley? You didn't get enough, Mr. Hero? You want some more? I do not wish to fight, so as soon as you apologize, I shall absolve you and continue along.
Yes, I have more. Being Grandmaster. Bruh. Hmm.
Oh, you better keep walking. What?
This. Okay.
Oh, look, it's the hero. Yo, brethren. This little girl had an heir, but her mother...
Sammy delayed his event by an hour. Don't worry, we are ready. Hmm. Woo! Yes, yes. Skippy dop dop. Yes, yes. That's because we been doing this longer that cool. Bro, 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 Okay. Oh my. Okay, my game will crash this. Okay, that's. Wait, is this? Who got? I need to get the Easter egg. Yes. Come on. Fee, fa, fum, fum, tum. Yes. Get on your head. And jump. Where's the Easter egg? Where's the Easter egg? No! Oh, I'm just chilling on my garden. Okay, part 2 time.